Yo, what's up, gangsters? How you doing? It's Carlo Gonzalez doing some math. Yeah, we're doing some math right now, and our equation is 6x squared minus 17x plus 5 equals zero, aka 0. What we're supposed to do is factor the problem. In order to factor it, we have to check if we can do if we can use the common factor method. We cannot, since our common factor is 1 for all the numbers in the equation. So instead we use the diamond method, and as you can see right here, a equals 6x squared, b equals negative 17, negative 17x, and c equals 5, and our common factor is 1. In order to factor correctly, we have to actually use a diamond, and we have to multiply a times c. 6 times 5 is 30, and then we just put b on the bottom of the diamond, and it's negative 17. Negative 15 and negative 2 multiplying to 30, negative 15 plus negative 2 equals negative 17. And in order to completely factor it in using the diamond method, we have to get our numbers we multiply by to get our top and bottom numbers and an equation. And then so it's negative 15 over 6x, and you cannot divide that, so you're good right there. Minus negative 2 over 6x, and you can divide that by both by 2, and then you divide both by 2, and then your new equation is negative 1 over 3x. So we're not using this anymore, so since we already simplified that, and then we're already done with the problem, we're good to go. We're done here. It was a pretty straightforward, simple problem. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to plug in each problem as their own in parentheses, in 2 separate parentheses. So let's just plug in the first one right here, negative 15 over 6x. That's going to be 6x minus 15. I hate this whiteboard so much. By the way, it took me forever to write this equation, and that's a disgusting 3, but 3x minus uno parentheses 0.
And then what you're doing here is
and our common factor is 1, but we don't have to put it on the outside the parentheses, since all the numbers are going to stay exactly the same. But the common factor was 2, like if the 17x was the 8 and the 5 was the 6, then you would put the 2 on the outside the parentheses, but in this case you do not. So you're good to go. You factored the problem using the diamond method. You cannot use the common factor method. Difference of 2 squares going to work, since it wasn't just 2 units or variables. And yeah, that is how you factor this equation. And thank you for watching this video, man. I appreciate it. Alright, peace to all my homies back in Connecticut.